ma yenche tiefo ne mo makwa ba mfamra yeso passports na no pay yenni nkomo kakra bi about the English Premier League. Abu Dhabi enra ye hwe 2 games but we beka sanka 2 games na so mfaso any day. Enyoma mienu ana enra these particular games at the break. The shape of the current top 4 of the English Premier League. Anyhow realistic here say team betima qualify and also team betima qualify. Ana de to so mienu Hurricane abo Tottenham Hotspur etimi yi call it all-time goal scoring record. And that one with Ewen Rooney. Aka kra bi no akwakoche papa e fe na Alan Shearer. And had a number of years them any Hurricane at Tottenham Hotspur under different coaches. Abu Dhabi wetimi achieve this particular feat. MSS when you say catch Hurricane ebi so tata we Rooney pa. Looking at the national team wetimi e call it the record of all-time top scorer for the English national team. Then ube PM all time in terms of the English Premier League. Hurricane so sway no in fewer games than when Rooney in most games. It's you ever heard that particular case no so e dey ato aso barabu on this particular score. City near team e na Arsenal they say omo ma biemu dada omo ba bi omo da no. Omo tie omo from the rest of the teams. But why it matters most yen nyina wo se enya hunumu eti ase na yese in the EPL nankasa na your match and ya bo match day 34.
SOMPA Sports.
Ya bo 34 games ankasa. Sanke de bibia to nsene ni ya bo 34 games. It omo 32, omo 33 nyina ye teams omo outstanding games. It obi a wabo bia na osan kabana na ko bia about 34 matches left with 4 games to go. Ebi more 6 games to go, ebi more 7 games to go. But Abu looking at the table very quietly. You look at a team your friend Newcastle United. Ah no was 65 points. Then Manchester United was 63. Then Liverpool also 5th. 56. Between 4th and 5th 7 points and a draw montem. 7 points approximately 2 matches and a draw. And I will lose 2 matches no draw back. Manchester United games are aka so betimi asi aka na so betimi abono. Aka Manchester United games 6. Aka Liverpool games 5. Getting into this particular latter stage of the competition. Iti abusi aka se Liverpool crampo and winning the 5 games ni nyina na. 15 points. Se ko 15 points ah udi 15 nankasa ekoka 56 no wa. Abu Dhabi baby ejina say you might be talking about 71 points. Say Liverpool approximately enya 71 points and as the maximum points obenya. Say the matches na kan no sheni nyina. Obenya 71 points. Manchester United was 63. Akan 6 matches which is 18 points. Abu Dhabi say Manchester United born home modern saving out of the 18 points in the crowd onya 17 crampona. You are talking about 80 points there. It's Manchester United maximum ebe 81 points so winning the games ni nyina. Then we Newcastle ono akan 5 matches in so what the can one abu ono so maximum 80 points. Iti Liverpool ebetimi qualify for Champions League na. This is Manchester United ni Newcastle obianya below 71 points.
Obianya below 71 points.
This obianya below 71 points.
Oh okay.
So Liverpool will qualify for Champions League now. Just say obianya 71 points below 71 points. Now no Abu Dhabi realistically no oha quite ben na these teams betima fa so a on betime make sure say 71 points no on betime akọ below and say betime asi say bi on betime nya. Oye Newcastle dia Abu Dhabi very good form with 1.97, very good home form at this is normal lose 1 game pay ofie plus 21 away games na omatime about 17 omo winning 8 omo draw 6 lose 3. One of the best away sides in the league. Apostle Mutim in Newcastle. But Abu aha ana asem ni nyina wa me pese ehwe ni nyina din. Newcastle next few games aka so bebo. Nei aka 5 matches also see aka Obo Arsenal, Obo Leeds United wa away, Obo Brighton and Hove Albion, Obo Leicester City no New Chelsea. Now Liverpool expect say Newcastle ebenya below 71 points na sisi and omo no 65 no. Abu Dhabi omo ne Arsenal approximately Newcastle bo ofie no. One year share no obenya draw 1 point. Leeds United, Newcastle kwa away. Leeds United is some coach has to say there is going to be a new manager bounce or a shock no. Perform. Any new man Newcastle in this season me wunu kwan a Leeds United be first wash Newcastle. And also so them fan approximately a draw 2 points no. Newcastle and Brighton and Hove Albion. One team omo ha adwie pa ba Newcastle ofie no. Obetre Brighton kakra bi onko 3 games without a win. E ofie no memma 3 points wa 85. Then Newcastle and Leicester City. Abu Dhabi, this is a game where Fiam is expected to say Newcastle be a game the crown team. 88 points. Omone Chelsea and fan a draw 9. Or the 9 and 65 and Abu Dhabi. Newcastle be kuta 74 points. Realistically, Liverpool me say GD owom so obetimi age and obetimi qualify for the Champions League pass between Newcastle and Manchester United obi abenya below that particular kind of points or no benya in accumulation in 71 na Abu Dhabi and realistic and baby ejina say no when Newcastle form and the kind of football mo na I tip Newcastle say yen season no Abu Dhabi na Newcastle etimi qualify for the Champions League. Manchester United Abu Dhabi realistically over Manchester United they are more performance CCT 1.97 very good form e wo fie Manchester United the lose back to Brighton and Hove Albion 12 wins 3 draws at home away no na Manchester United are winning 7 and draw 3 and lose 6. They are not so good when it comes to away games. Manchester United games Abu Dhabi and the Dahanum MCC and Manchester United aka 6 games. Brighton and Hove Albion. This is a game I'm a Brighton say Brighton beat many full results. It's a hono kwampo beko 3 for Brighton and Hove Albion. West Ham Manchester United. Manchester United at away to West Ham have always been bullying West Ham. Omba wako anya de kwa nyo mo draw. Remember Manchester United at West 1 point between Omo and West Ham. Then Manchester United Wolves Sophia Manchester United win about 4 points. AFC Bournemouth Manchester United win 7 points. Manchester United Chelsea Wolfie 10 points. Manchester United Fulham Abu Dhabi 13 points. With the at West Bournemouth away Manchester United away. Only lose the 3 away games na Brighton, West Ham, Bournemouth. Only lose 3 na which is 9 points. Yeah, the Manchester United track record will feel lose 1 pair. On share Wolves, on share Chelsea, no share Fulham. Obenya 9 points for one. All the 9 no. Eko 63 na Manchester United wana. Obenya 72. Onya less than what Liverpool expected. So Manchester United will qualify for the Champions League.
Mate, Ochaba na wababere dia kana mame. Why?